Okay, we're gonna start here, and what we are is kind of on this coastal trail, so we're gonna be walking down this way, and then we're gonna go down that way. Of course, we could also go down that way, because that's equally beautiful, and you got a beautiful, beautiful sunset. But I need to go the other way. So yeah, stay tuned. It's like a National Geographic video, doesn't it? 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but there's a little trail that goes all the way up in here too. So lots of people are walking the trails. We're going to be going down that way. You can kind of catch the sunset coming in. This goes out to this little kiosk out this way. See, our sun's going to disappear. Oh, actually these rocks are pretty strong as well. Yeah, it looks kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna do, let's go all the way down. So yeah, this is actually a very popular trail, and it goes all the way down to these kind of nice houses behind us. It's gonna be kind of windy today, so and actually when we get to the end of this trail, we're gonna get some other nice things that you should see as well, including these row of mansion houses, a little kind of good view of Haksad Beach. There's a hotel in the distance that you'll be able to see. Pretty prime space. And the sun is starting to go down a little bit here too. Okay. So yeah, welcome to Macau. You might notice that I'm also doing a little bit of a video for my new 2024 introduction. So we'll tap that in. You can see an airplane way in the distance, way down there. So the airport is not too far away. Look at these nice beautiful trees in here as well. And we're gonna continue along our trail. Let's just take a look. So before we continue on, that's the trail that we just came on. This little kiosk out in the middle. And we're gonna go around the corner. And now you're gonna start to see more trail. We have to go up and then down a little bit, and then we're going to follow the this is about a 25-minute trail probably, approximately, and then we're going to follow down the waterway a little bit, and you'll see that as well. Hello. Okay, got some nice views here everywhere. Let's flip this around. I know sometimes you like to see me walking around and such. So yeah, this is probably about a 25-minute trail if we do the whole thing. It's just gonna get like about 5 minutes of it. And then we're going to fast forward. Over to those rocks. So we're gonna go around those rocks. So there's the rocks. That's what we just missed. Sun is going down. These giant rocks are right here. And we're just gonna walk all the way down to there, which is there's a little small parking lot so people can park there. And then there's a row of mansions as well. So we're gonna go by all of that. And that's a hotel in the distance, that white one. If you look it up, it's in Haksa Beach. I kind of forget the name of that hotel right now. Hyatt Hotel. So that's Hyatt Hotel, that white one in the distance. Then right here is the name of this one. Written in Chinese and in English and in Portuguese. Haksa Long Chao Coastal Trail. And we're just going to go a little bit further. And we're going to go towards these mansions a little bit. So there's a whole row of mansions that goes all the way down. And this is also called, so we had the Haksa Long Chao Coastal Trail, but we also have the street, Huade Haksa Long Chao Coastal Street. And it's just basically all these mansions that we're going to be walking by. So we are gonna go by those, and you're gonna get some views. So usually in this corner here, there's some fishermen, but you can also park here temporarily. But all the legal parking would be over here. That's an illegal one right there. That beautiful car. Then right here you have the beach, Haksa Beach. So there's usually fishermen here, even in the middle of the night. There's always like good fishing, I guess, in this spot. And then you have this beautiful trail, and there's the beach in the background. And there's actually people on it. It's January 1 today. And then you can see all the mansions in the background. And then you can park your cars along this trail as well. So we're gonna walk down this coastal trail a little tiny bit just to give you an idea of it. And I think I'm actually gonna go towards the mansions a little bit so you can get a view of those as well. Yeah, you have these beautiful homes, these beautiful balconies, nice windows, and they go all the way down. And this one's a little bit different. Looks like more of a modern style, but most of them are not like that. So that one's kind of a unique one. Usually they're like that, just a row of them. And you'll see more of that row down that way. As we get closer to the beach, you can see a windsurfer in there. That bright orange, she's coming this way. Coming directly this way. Can you see him in that way? I wish I had to zoom on this one so I could zoom in and get some really good photos for you. And then down that way is the marina. Then here's more of these mansion style homes. So anyways, I guess I'll probably label this one after the road, I guess. Very nice. It's still marked by all those mansions to the side there. Okay. So let's go. And there's all those mansion homes. They go all the way down. So let me just kind of try to capture that a little bit. So basically you have a whole row of them that go all the way down to that coastal trail that we were just at. And then you have a mountain like right on that side. You can actually drive up on that mountain. And they end right about there, and then there's a youth hostel on the end as well. Then on this side, that whole beach starts from here. You can see a kayak on the beach. And then there's some tents. Sometimes people put tents out. And in this area there's also like barbecues, volleyball, different stuff like that. And this beach goes, I think it's goes all the way down to there. So I don't know how far that is, but that's the coastal trail that we just were on. And then you can see some apartments that are straight ahead. So they're a little bit older style, and I think there was like kind of a limit to girls, so they built some and then I guess they just stopped. So those are kind of dated now. But some people live out here for sure, especially if they want to just quickly get to the beach. And I guess right here is a place you can bring in these little boats. So there's a little row of small boats there. So I guess it's a marina. This house has a ton of bamboo. A bunch of bamboo, and then this one's kind of covered in woods a little bit. Okay. $20.24. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la voz divina.